Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the operators in Excel VBA. In VBA, operators are symbols used for performing operations. Okay, so the operators are mainly classified into three types. One is arithmetic operators, which is used for calculations. Second one is relational or comparison operators, which is used for comparing the values. And the third one is logical operators, which is used for combining more than one conditions, comparisons. Okay. Under the arithmetic operators, we have plus, which is addition operator, minus, which is subtraction operator, multiply, which is for multiplying, then divide, which is for dividing two numbers. So under the relational operator, we have greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. And under the logical operators, we have and, or, not. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about the arithmetic operators, and we are practically going to apply the arithmetic operators with an example. So these two operators, relational operators and logical operators, we will come back on another video later on. Okay, so you all are very familiar with these operators, I am sure. Plus, minus, multiply and divide. This is something which we do in day-to-day life. Correct? Okay. So in VBA, we will see how to make use of these operators. So I'm just going to the next sheet, which is called a calculator, and you can see there is a simple calculator interface. So I have an option here to enter a number, and I have an option here to enter another number. And when a particular user click plus button, it should show here added values. Minus, it should show here subtracted values. Multiply, it should show here multiplied values. Divide, it should show here divided values. And when the user click the clear button, all these boxes should be cleared. That's what is our task. Okay, so to do that, I will go to developer and I will activate the Visual Basic editor. And for typing the code, I will insert a module. Then I'm going to name that module as calculator underscore codes. Okay, so inside the calculator code, I will add sub addition open close bracket. Okay, so in this sub procedures, actually what should happen when the person click the addition button, Excel should take the value from this cell and take the value from this cell and add those both and put it in the result cell. So result cell is G15 and this one is G12 and this one is G9. So 9, 12 and 15. So I'm going back to this one, that I'm saying like this workbook dot sheets of, what is the sheet name? Calculator dot range of G, which was this range, G15. G15 equals this workbook dot sheets of calculator dot range of G9 plus, again, so we have to say it fully because we are talking to a machine, so it's really important to say the complete statement. G12. There you go. Okay, let's go back and try it. So I went back to Excel, I right click, assign the macro and addition, I click OK. Then I'm just adding some numbers here, 10, 5, and I click the plus button. There you go, it shows 15. So it's easy to make the other sub, right? Let's complete it. So I'm going like subtraction. Then under this subtraction, I will do some easy job. I will copy this. Then I will paste it here because the code remains the same. Only the operator will be changing. So I'm just putting minus here. So let me try the multiplication also. Sub multiplication. Then I'm saying like copy this, then type here and multiply it. Finally, division. Then I will copy this, and come down and paste it and change the operator to division. And for the clear, I'm writing the sub clean. Then I will say like this range, I'm just saying like G9 to G15 equals nothing. So I'm done with my calculator. So let me try to assign this. Right click, assign macro. This is subtraction. Right click, assign macro. This is multiplication. Right click, assign macro. This is division. Finally, right click, assign macro. This is clean. Right, so here you go, clean. Then I'm giving some numbers, minus, correct. Then to multiply, correct. Divide, correct. Clear, correct. There you go. That's. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.